Welcome back to Easy Driver for part 2 of our Buick vs Lexus series. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this episode, we're continuing our comprehensive comparison by examining pricing, customer satisfaction, and ownership costs. Stay tuned for some crucial insights. Lexus, performance and power. Lexus, on the other hand, has built a reputation for producing luxury vehicles that offer both elegance and performance. Known for their advanced engineering and meticulous craftsmanship, Lexus models deliver exhilarating driving experiences that combine power with precision. Lexus offers a range of engine options across their lineup, including V6 and V8 engines that deliver impressive horsepower and torque. These engines are finely tuned to provide seamless acceleration and responsive performance. Whether you're looking for a sporty sedan or a powerful SUV, Lexus has models that cater to different driving preferences. When it comes to handling, Lexus vehicles are engineered to offer superb agility and control. With cutting-edge technologies like adaptive variable suspension systems and all-wheel drive, Lexus cars deliver precise steering and excellent body control. They strike a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and enjoy a thrilling driving experience. Both Buick and Lexus offer impressive performance and power in their respective lineups. Buick focuses on providing a comfortable and refined driving experience, while Lexus emphasizes a combination of luxury and exhilaration. Whether you prioritize smoothness and sophistication or sportiness and precision, these brands have options that cater to a wide range of preferences. Safety features. When it comes to choosing a car, safety is a top priority for many drivers. Both Buick and Lexus have built their reputations on providing vehicles equipped with top-of-the-line safety features. Let's compare the safety features offered by Buick and Lexus to help you make an informed decision. Buick's safety features. Buick vehicles are known for their advanced safety technologies that prioritize the protection and well-being of drivers and passengers. Here are some key safety features you can find in Buick models. 1. Forward collision alert. This feature uses sensors to detect potential frontal collisions and alerts the driver to take action, helping to prevent accidents. Lane departure warning. By monitoring lane markings, this feature notifies the driver if the vehicle veers out of the lane unintentionally, reducing the risk of sideswipe accidents. Rear cross traffic alert. When reversing out of a parking space, this feature warns the driver of approaching vehicles or objects, improving safety in crowded parking lots. Automatic emergency braking. Using cameras and sensors, this system can detect potential collisions and automatically apply the brakes to reduce the severity of an impact or even avoid it altogether. Blind spot detection. This technology alerts drivers about vehicles in their blind spots, providing an extra layer of safety during lane changes. Lexus safety features. Lexus is renowned for its commitment to safety, incorporating advanced technologies and innovative features into their vehicles. Let's take a look at some of the safety features offered by Lexus. 1. Pre-collision system. This feature combines radar and camera technology to detect potential collisions and prompts the driver to take action. If necessary, it can even apply the brakes automatically to avoid or mitigate an accident. Lane Keep Assist. By monitoring lane markings, this system helps drivers stay centered in their lane. If the vehicle drifts unintentionally, it provides gentle steering assistance to guide it back to the correct position. Adaptive Cruise Control. This advanced cruise control system uses radar sensors to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. It automatically adjusts the speed to ensure a safe and consistent driving experience. Intelligent High Beams. This feature detects oncoming vehicles and vehicles ahead and automatically switches between high and low beams to ensure optimal visibility without causing discomfort to other drivers. Blind Spot Monitor. Similar to Buick's blind spot detection, this system alerts drivers to vehicles in their blind spots using visual and audio cues, enhancing safety during lane changes. So, both Buick and Lexus have made significant strides in integrating advanced safety features into their vehicles. Whether you choose Buick with its forward collision alert or Lexus with its pre-collision system, you can feel confident knowing that your safety is a top priority for these manufacturers. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences when selecting a car, and always prioritize safety for a worry-free driving experience. Interior and comfort. When it comes to choosing a car, interior comfort is a crucial factor to consider. Both Buick and Lexus are known for their commitment to providing luxurious and comfortable interiors. Let's take a closer look at the interior and comfort features of both brands. Buick's interior and comfort features. Buick has always been synonymous with elegance and sophistication, and their interior design reflects this perfectly. When you step inside a Buick, you can expect a well-crafted cabin with high-quality materials and attention to detail. One notable feature that sets Buick apart is their QuietTuning technology. By utilizing advanced acoustic materials, triple-door seals, and sound-absorbing materials, Buick creates a serene and peaceful cabin environment. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or cruising on the highway, you'll enjoy a remarkably quiet ride. Another highlight of Buick's interiors is the comfortable seating. Buick offers plush, supportive seats that are designed to keep you and your passengers relaxed even on long drives. With options like power-adjustable seats, heating, and ventilation, you can customize your seating experience to meet your preferences. In addition, Buick provides ample interior space, ensuring that everyone on board has enough legroom and headroom to stretch out and enjoy the journey. Whether you're traveling with a full car or just enjoying a solo ride, you'll appreciate the generous space provided by Buick's intelligent cabin design. Lexus, interior and comfort features. Lexus, known for its luxurious reputation, offers interiors that redefine comfort and refinement. Craftsmanship is at the forefront of Lexus' design philosophy, evident in the meticulously curated details and high-quality materials used throughout their vehicles. Step inside a Lexus, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious ambiance. From meticulously stitched seats to a choice of premium interior trims, Lexus ensures that every element exudes luxury and comfort. Lexus prioritizes comfort by incorporating advanced seating features. Their seats are not only ergonomically designed but also provide multiple adjustments, including lumbar support and memory settings. Whether you're embarking on a short commute or a cross-country road trip, you can expect a comfortable and supportive seating experience in a Lexus. Moreover, Lexus offers a range of interior amenities to enhance comfort. From heated and ventilated seats to ambient lighting and advanced climate control systems, Lexus ensures that you can create your ideal cabin environment. In terms of space, Lexus vehicles provide ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. With a thoughtfully designed layout, Lexus maximizes interior space without compromising on luxury or comfort. Both Buick and Lexus excel in providing interiors that prioritize comfort, luxury, and attention to detail. Whether you choose the refined elegance of Buick or the opulent comfort of Lexus, you can be sure that you'll enjoy a delightful driving experience. Technology and infotainment. In today's automotive landscape, technology and infotainment features play a crucial role in enhancing the driving experience. Both Buick and Lexus have incorporated advanced technologies into their vehicles to offer cutting-edge features to their customers. Let's explore the technology and infotainment offerings from both brands. Buick's technology and infotainment features. Buick has always been at the forefront of integrating technology into their vehicles, and their range of technology and infotainment features is no exception. Here are some notable features you can expect to find in Buick vehicles. Buick Infotainment System. Buick vehicles are equipped with an intuitive and user-friendly infotainment system. With a responsive touchscreen display, the system allows you to easily access a variety of functions, including navigation, music streaming, and hands-free calling. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Buick understands the importance of seamless smartphone integration. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, you can effortlessly connect your smartphone to the infotainment system and access your favorite apps, make calls, send messages, and listen to music, all while keeping your focus on the road. Wireless charging. Tired of dealing with messy cables? Buick offers wireless charging pads in their vehicles, allowing you to conveniently charge your compatible smartphone without the hassle of wires. Buick Connect. Buick Connect is a suite of connected services that keep you connected to your vehicle at all times. Features include remote start, vehicle diagnostics, emergency assistance, and more, giving you peace of mind and convenience. Thanks for tuning in to Part 2, where we compared pricing, customer satisfaction, and ownership costs in the Buick vs. Lexus series. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Join us in Part 3, where we'll wrap up our comparison with a closer look at technology, features, and overall value. Thank you for watching.